girls, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a haul. So you're probably thinking we're in isolation, there's hardly anywhere open. I've been back to work now for just coming up 2 weeks, so my day has changed a lot from just online shopping and going for walks. So today I thought I'd get up, crack of dawn, and hit my 3 favourite shops. We've run low on everything, so I visited my 3 favourite shops: Home Bargains, Savers and B&M's, and I stocked up food, toiletries, little bits for the home, some treats, snacks. So I don't know which video will be going live first, but whichever one you're watching now, there is another 2 to follow. So please sit back, because this one is Savers, and so sit back, get your snacks, get your drink, and let's get on in with the haul. So starting off, get the receipt, that will be main thing. So let's have a look. This is going to be in no particular order. Right, sponges. Everyone seems to be running out of sponges, and as it says, stay calm and keep cleaning. These were about 69p for 20, so my mum's been banging on the past few days. I'm running low on my sponges, haven't got anything left, so guess what, Mum, you've got 20 there now to use. We have, what have we got here? I have never seen this. Now, Malteser is probably my favourite type of chocolate. Are you straight? Malteser is my favourite type of chocolate, and I love at Christmas when you get the little bubbles in the packs, but I've never seen a bar of it. So I cannot wait to demolish this. This was 99p, I think. So cheap. What else have we got? Oh, so it's a similar brand to Zaflora. I think the other one's Fabulosa. This is called Floella, and it's a 4-in-1 disinfectant called Summer Dreams. Makes up to 10 litres. So I thought it's just a nice fresh one. I'm not too sure, it's probably going to be flowers or anything like that. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure, yeah, I did pick up another one. So this one is summer fruit. So this is definitely going to be used for my room because I love anything fruity. Please excuse my old wrinkly hands. The amount of hand sanitizer, moisturiser, hand cream that's been going on them lately, because the hand sanitizer is just, I don't know about anyone else, drying my hands out to oblivion, and it's making them so sore and cracked. So I'm just trying to keep the moisture in with them. What have we got here? Pomegranate and honeysuckle fairy liquid. This was £1. Can't go wrong with a bit of fairy liquid. And also the Floellas, they were, I think, 89p. So again, everything's under £1 at the moment. We got some air freshener. Can't go wrong. This is their own brand, I think, at Savers. And again, this was 99p. Clean and fresh citrus. Can't go wrong. I just wanted to get a few bits because at our supermarket we haven't had a lot, and obviously they're always limiting it to you. Savers did have a few limits in place, but it wasn't as strict as most of the supermarkets, so you was allowed to get a couple of each cleaning product if you wanted, whereas I know our local supermarkets are limiting 1 Dettol, 1 hand wash, everything like that. So I managed to pick up a couple, so we've got plenty spare. We also got, oh, talking of hand wash, this huge antibacterial hand wash, and I think this was, where are we? Can't seem to find it on there, but looking at my receipt, everything was under £1. So this could only have been 99p, if that. 500ml. Yeah, literally my receipt, everything was 99p, 89p, 79 or 59. Oh, I've got 49 as well. So this would have only been £1, and for 500 millilitres, it's well worth it just having there. We've got, right, I cannot get dry shampoo for love nor money anywhere, and Boots and Superdrug Where are the offers on the Batiste? £5 for a 400ml. I can't salvage spending that much. I normally get them when they're 3 for £5, or if they go down to £2.50 for the big ones. But Savers do dry shampoo. It's their own brand called Inset, and I got the scent Paradise. And again, this was 99p, so hopefully I'll give it a go, and if it works, it could be a new fave instead of spending £5 on a bottle. I'll probably try that out on my Instagram, so if you do want to see, check the comment box below and I'll link my lifestyle Instagram in there for you guys. And then, oh, we have another air freshener. This is their own brand Pan Aroma, and it's tangerine and vanilla. I just like the colours, reds, yellows, peaches, oranges. Now we're spring coming into summer, so we can't go wrong with them. And again, that was 99p. What else have we got in it? Oh, this was 89p. This is Imperial Leather. This is actually a restock. I got one of these probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and the smell, it's Luscious Pink Lemonade Sweet Treat Soap. Oh my god. The best thing ever. Honestly, if you could just smell it, and it's bright pink. I mean, what more could you want? But the smell of it, it's like freshly squeezed pink lemonade. You probably think lemonade's yellow, but oh, so nice. Can't wait to use that. And then we've got a couple of boring essentials. Dove's, 99p each. Can't go wrong. Second bag, what have we got here? Ah, is anyone else a hay fever sufferer like me? Are you starting to get, when you wake up now, the itchy eyes, the 10 minutes of constant sneezing? Well, I saw these at the counter. They're called Nuage. I don't know how you pronounce it, but they're hay fever relief wipes. And they was 30 wipes for 99p. Now again, I'm going to test these out on my Instagram, so I'll let you know how they get on. But apparently they are enriched with tea tree and peppermint oils, and it removes and traps pollen, dust and pet allergens before they can affect you. So the directions for use, let's have a look. Gently wipe over face and neck, avoiding the contact with eyes. Reseal the pack after use to prevent dryness. So I'm thinking first thing in the morning when I wake up, I'm going to grab one of these, eyes, face, neck, nose, everything, and see if they work. And if they do, £1 for 30 wipes. If you have a wipe a day, that's a month's supply for £1. I think Puritan is about £6 a box now. I used to have a nasal spray which is about £8 a box. And also I wouldn't like taking tablets, and the nasal spray used to burn my nose so much. So if I can get away with just having a hay fever wipe under £1, why not? What else have we got in here? So I picked up some Savlon, quite boring, but it's always handy to have in there. I've got a couple of Air Pure scented bead sachet pockets. These were 49p each, and Air Pure is their brand. I think B&M and Home Bargains do it. They do oh no, what's that? That's Panorama, sorry, that's not that. The Air Pure is the diffusers, refillables. They do a few little candles. It's like their own range basically, but I just get these to pop in my underwear and bra drawers. Let's keep them smelling nice and fruity. I also got pack of 52 spectacle wipes. I don't know about you, but my glasses at work are forever and a day getting filthy, and I can't be bothered to keep going upstairs to the bathroom, so I'm going to take them, keep them in my drawer at work, and then I can never get moaned at for having dirty glasses again. What else have we got in here? Oh, so I actually got these for baking. So they're Whitworth's Shots Fruity Biscuits. 93 calories per pack, and you get 3 for £1. Sultana's Cranberries White Chocolate Coated Shortcake. So I just got these because I've been getting into my baking a lot lately, just as a little addition into some muffins, or if I do banana bread, I've started putting some sultanas and nuts into there. So again, just anything to spice it up. And talking of walnuts and fruit and nuts. Whitworth, they had fruit and nut selection. Oh, did I get 2? I thought I had walnuts. Oh, I did. So, right. So I got the Whitworth's shots. I then picked up 2 packs of the fruit and nut selection, and I was actually down to 50p. And the date is May 2020, so I can definitely get some baking. I'm doing a baking day, I think, next weekend, so they'll definitely get used in time. And then I also picked up some Californian walnuts, again down to 50p to end of May. But Whitworth's, I think, is quite a good brand. I've seen it in quite a few places, so they're handy just to have in there. What's this? Oh, did I buy 2 lots? Right, so I seem to have bought 72 wipes for my glasses in total. So, probably going to have a lot. So I've got that box. This one I might just keep in my handbag actually if I'm out and glasses need a little bit of clean. I think these were 89p. Beauty Formulas lens cleaning wipes, 20 wipes. Another little handbag essential. Again, I'm always one, if I go out, I have a bag inside a bag, and in my little bag I have all the essentials: hand wash, hand cream, nail file, perfume, so they can go in there as well. What have we got here? Oh, candle. Jelly Belly French vanilla scented candle. Can't go wrong with these for £1. Are you going to focus? There we go. And I also have, I don't know where I got them from before, I have Jelly Belly's tea light holders, tea light candles, and they also do diffusers in some shops as well. So love a Jelly Belly. I love the bubble gum. That's probably got to be my favourite. What else? Oh, we have another air freshener. Wild Berries, 99p. I think you just can't go wrong with stocking up on little things like that, and especially when you see some of the air fresheners and they're like £152. You only spray them in the bathroom or around the house, and to be honest, I think they all smell the same. So if I can get it for £1, I'd rather get 2 or 3 and then I'm done with it. What else have we got in here? Oh, so I picked this up. This is the Beauty Formulas, same brand as the lens cleaning wipes, of Australian Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Nose Pore Strips. So it was 6 strips for 99p, which is fabulous because I normally get the Biore ones, and they're like £3–4 for a pack. So I'm hoping, if these are good, again, another dupe, another way to save money, leave on for 10–15 minutes. So yeah, I might do a video with some of the skincare bits that I build up over the time and see if they're just as good as the branded bits and bobs. What have we got here? Coming to the end of it now. Oh, why did I get this? So I have a lot of bubble baths. Like, I have quite an obsession. Body Shop, I own practically the whole shop. But whenever I go out, I can't help but buy more bubble bath. I use a bottle, and then instead of using the gazillion bottles I've got left, I think I need to buy another bottle to replace that. So this is a new one. I haven't tried this before. It's a Right Guard Woman Coconut Water Shower Gel, and I think this was 89 or 99 pence. But again, can't go wrong, and it does smell quite nice. So it may be another one to swap for Body Shop, because as much as I love Body Shop, £5 per bottle is a little steep when I go in there and I'll buy every single flavour, because my bathroom, I have it so that it's set out. So I have all my Body Shop skincare, my Body Shop shower gels, my Body Shop exfoliating, and as soon as I'm running low, I have to go and get more. And then, talking about that, I got another soap. So this is an Imperial Leather one, again like the Pink Lemonade, but this is just peachy. So I haven't seen this one before, so let's have a look. Oh my god. Oh, it's this gorgeous coral colour. Well, peach colour really. If you could smell this. And again for like 89–99p. I think they had a flamingo scented one. I think I saw a coconut one. So I'm definitely going to be popping in next time we go to stock up on some soaps, I think. And then the last few things. Oh, well, we've got 2 boxes of tissues. So I always have tissues by my bed. Pretty standard, and I have to have them matching. So 2 boxes. I think these were 89.99p. As I say, again, everything in this haul was 99p or less. So, it's not a bad haul. How much did I actually end up spending? You know when you get to a checkout and they say the amount, you're just like, yeah, £27.52. And that was for 33 items. So, I don't think it was that terrible. To be honest, everything pretty much, as you can see, if it will focus, was 99p, 89, 50, 49 for a total of 27.52 of 33 items. Don't think you can go wrong with that, really. So guys and girls, that is the end of the haul. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment if there's any other shops that are your go-to shops at this moment, or if you'd like me to do any more trying online. I think you can get savers online, but when I went on one night, they must time it from when you go on, because it said come back at 6 AM, because I think they're having limited slots at the moment. So yes, if there's any other shops or any online stores where you can get practically everything and anything, do let me know. As I say, there will be other hauls, 2 more hauls coming up for Home Bargains and B&M, so keep your eyes peeled because they'll be coming in the next few weeks. But if not, I'll love you and leave you. Hope you have a lovely day and all stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.